There's a kind of free money sitting at most people's jobs right now, and the wild part is, a huge number of them walk right past it every single paycheck. It's called the 401k match, and if your employer offers one and you're not taking full advantage, you could be leaving tens, even hundreds of thousands of dollars on the table over your career. So today I'm going to show you exactly how the match works, the simple mistake that costs people a fortune, and what to do about it this week. Let's get into it. First, what is a 401k match? A 401k is a retirement account you fund straight from your paycheck, usually before taxes, through your job. The match is the magic part. Many employers agree to add their own money to your account based on what you put in. Think about that for a second. It's your employer handing you extra money, for free, just for saving for your own future. There is almost nothing else in the entire world of money that does this. Here's how it usually looks. A common setup is an employer matching 100% of what you contribute, up to 4% of your salary. So let's say you earn $60,000 a year. 4% of that is $2,400. If you contribute that $2,400, your employer drops another $2,400 right beside it. You just turn $2,400 into $4,800 instantly, before it's even invested. That's a 100% return on day one. No stock, no crypto, no side hustle, reliably doubles your money the second you put it in. The match does. Some employers do it a little differently, like 50% of what you put in, up to 6% of your pay. The exact formula varies, but the idea is always the same. Free money just for participating. Now here's the mistake that quietly costs people a fortune. They either never sign up for their 401k at all, or they contribute too little to get the full match. And that free money you skip doesn't just disappear. It costs you all the decades of growth it would have earned. Take that $2,400 a year in free match money, invested at the market's long-term average of about 7%. Over 30 years, that employer match alone, not even counting a dime of your own contributions, could grow to around $227,000. That's nearly $250,000 in free money, gone, just because someone didn't check a box. Two quick things to know. First, some matches come with what's called a vesting schedule, meaning you have to stay at the company for a few years before that matched money is fully yours to keep. So check your plan. And second, here's the good news. The match is bonus money. In 2026, you can contribute up to $24,500 of your own into a 401k, and your employer's match sits on top of that and never eats into your own limit. So here's your move this week. Log into your benefits portal or just ask HR one simple question. What is my employer's 401k match, and am I contributing enough to get all of it? If the answer is that you're leaving any of it behind, bump your contribution up to at least capture the full match. Even if money is tight right now, this should sit near the very top of your list, because a guaranteed 50 or 100% return is something you will almost never find anywhere else. One honest note, not every employer offers a match. The formulas differ from job to job, and that 7% is a historical average, not a promise. So treat this as a nudge to go check your own plan, not a prescription. But if there's one thing to take from today, it's this. Free money is rare. If your job is offering it, take all of it. Your future self will be very, very glad you did. If this helped, subscribe, because next time we're breaking down what to actually invest your money in once it's in there, the simple index fund approach that quietly builds real wealth. I'm Jake, and I'll see you in the next one.